Hello, I'm Larry, one of the oil experts here at Gregg Distributors. So far, we've covered not only the basics of oil, but also a little bit of chemistry, some controversy, and some specific applications too. If this doesn't sound familiar, go check out our Propel Oil 101 series from the beginning. Heavy-duty trucks and equipment require heavy-duty oil, and basic passenger car oil just won't cut it. This time around, we're going to focus specifically on oil designed for heavy-duty vehicles and equipment. And along the way, we'll answer some of those burning questions you have about heavy-duty oils. Welcome back to Propel 101. Now, heavy-duty vehicles operate much differently than your average passenger car. This is due to their massive and complex engines, which, to no one's surprise, means they require carefully formulated oil that can hold up to the demands of a heavy-duty engine. Any vehicle that weighs more than 8,500 pounds is considered heavy-duty. And for the sake of comparison, the average passenger car only weighs about 4,000 pounds. So heavy-duty is more than 2 times the weight of the average passenger vehicle. That's a lot of weight rolling down the road. This means the oil pumping through these larger engines has to be able to withstand higher pressures and high heat, while ensuring environmental restrictions are met. In our previous video on passenger vehicle oil, we explained how the significant advances made in the last decade or so that have resulted in oil change intervals being increased to as much as 120,000 kilometers, compared to 16,000 kilometers in older vehicles. Similarly, modern diesel and industrial engines have been designed to be more efficient and longer lasting than in previous generations. They have tighter clearances and closer tolerances, and tend to run much hotter than standard engines. This is why heavy-duty engine oils need to be more resistant to oxidation, shear, and aeration. This holds especially true for industrial equipment such as machining tools, as they operate long hours in hot and sometimes dusty conditions. We know your industrial machining tools and heavy-duty diesel engines need an oil they can depend on to keep them running smoothly. That is why we developed Propel's selection of heavy-duty diesel engine and industrial oils to best suit your heavy-duty oil needs. First is Propel's conventional diesel motor oil. This oil is available as an SAE 15W40. It comes in traditional package sizes, but is also available as a bag-and-box option. And for high-volume users, it is even available in a 1,000-liter reusable tote. This oil has been designed for use in a wide range of heavy-duty applications and operating environments, and is suitable for both on- and off-highway applications. This motor oil has been approved for use where the original equipment manufacturer specifies the API-certified CK4 oil, and is also backward compatible with diesel engines with CJ4, CI4, CI+, and CH4 recommended service categories. This conventional oil has the benefit of not breaking the bank, yet from a performance standpoint, it has the specs that in many cases surpass semi-synthetic products in the market. In fact, with the quality performance of our product, we question the value of semi-synthetic or synthetic versions. Also, our conventional formula boasts an impressive minus 39 degrees Celsius pour point, making it an ideal product for our Canadian climate. Next, we have Propel's semi-synthetic diesel motor oil. Now in this case, this semi-synthetic oil provides extra protection and performance over and above conventional oils. In comparison to competing products, this oil stands up to high heat, cold temperature starts, and high stress. It also delivers up to an 83% better oxidation control and 63% better deposit control. This 10W30 oil meets or exceeds the requirements of OEMs and has excellent extended drain capabilities. Not to mention, Propel's semi-synthetic diesel motor oil is backwards compatible for CJ4 and older API service categories. Next, we have Propel's straight-weight diesel motor oils. Now this motor oil is primarily for older diesel engines, like that old combine that somehow only breaks down when you're the furthest away from the shop. On or off highway machinery equipment, marine equipment, and some commercial fleets will need this type of oil if their engines are from a particular generation that calls for a classic straight-weight lubricant. This oil has been formulated to provide unsurpassed protection, high heat resistance, shearing protection, and protection against metal-to-metal contact. It's available in 30 weight or 40 weight and comes in 18.92 liter pails. We're 100% sure this oil will keep your older equipment chugging along better than any straight-weight lubricant out there. Finally, for heavy-duty diesel engine oils, we have Propel's full synthetic diesel motor oil. This engine oil meets or exceeds the requirements of OEMs and lives up to the demands of current API designations. In each bottle of Propel's full synthetic diesel motor oil, you'll be getting some of the highest levels of protection and performance available. This oil boasts some of the best cold temperature performance ratings you can find, with the 5W40 formula delivering a -45 degrees Celsius pour point and the 0W40 formula delivering a -51 degrees Celsius pour point. Now that's Canadian cold. To top it off, our full synthetic diesel motor oils deliver greater horsepower and fuel economy. They are formulated to effectively balance durability, drain intervals, and protect emission control devices. Overall, our full synthetic motor oil will almost always be the best option for your engine. So give it a try and see for yourself why we are so proud of this product. As passenger car motor oils continue to move towards lower weight, full synthetic lubricants, this shift will likely be mirrored in heavy-duty applications as well. More emphasis is being placed on fuel efficiency and emission controls, which will continue to drive advancements in diesel engine technology. As we move into the future with rapidly evolving mechanical developments, Propel is committed to continuous innovation so that we can bring the most advanced diesel engine oils to the market. Next time on Propel Oil 101, we're going to cover what gear oil is and how it's different from motor oil. If you've been enjoying this series, why not subscribe to our channel? Click the bell by the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time we release a new video. Links to our social media are down in the description, and if you have any questions, you can leave us a comment, give us a call, or visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Larry, and I'll see you in our next Propel Oil 101 video right here on Gear Up with Greggs. Thanks for keeping it Canadian.